Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a busy professional working from home, you know how challenging it can be to prepare quick and healthy meals while juggling meetings, deadlines, and daily tasks. In today's video, I'm sharing easy, nutritious recipes that fit perfectly into your work-from-home routine. Let's dive in. Recipe 1. 5-minute protein smoothie. First up is a high-protein smoothie that takes less than 5 minutes to make. All you need is 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, 1 scoop protein powder, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, a handful of spinach ice cubes. Blend everything until smooth, and you have a delicious filling breakfast or mid-morning snack to keep you energized throughout the day. Recipe 2. 10-minute avocado toast with egg. Next, we have a classic yet satisfying meal. Avocado toast with a protein boost. You'll need 1 slice of whole grain bread, 1/2 ripe, avocado 1 boiled or fried egg, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. For flavor, mash the avocado onto the toast. Top with the egg, season as desired, and you're ready to enjoy a nutritious meal in minutes. Recipe 3. 15-minute 1-pan chicken and veggies. For lunch or dinner, here's a quick 1-pan meal packed with protein and veggies. You'll need 1 chicken breast, diced 1 cup bell peppers, chopped 1/2 zucchini, sliced 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Heat the oil in a pan, add the chicken, and cook for about 7 minutes. Then, toss in the veggies and seasonings. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until everything is tender and fully cooked. And that's it. Your healthy, balanced meal is ready. Meal prep tips. To save even more time during the week, try these meal prep tips. Pre-cut your veggies and store them in airtight containers. Cook proteins like chicken or tofu in bulk, and refrigerate for quick meals. Use simple, versatile ingredients to mix and match meals easily. And there you have it. 3 quick and healthy recipes, perfect for busy professionals working from home. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let me know in the comments which recipe you'll try first. See you next time.